Good morning, everybody. I'm Storm Track Meteorologist Nate Harrington. I want to give you an update on the tropics. Yesterday we were tracking Danny. Told you it wasn't going to last much longer, and it didn't. It fell apart early this morning. But overnight, we had Tropical Storm Erika form. Right now with winds of 45 miles per hour, moving very fast at 20 to the west. Normally when tropical cyclones strengthen, they move a lot slower than this. So Erika's not going to have a whole lot of time to strengthen. Although, by the time it gets north of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola, it most likely will develop into a hurricane. That's what the National Hurricane Center says. And most of the computer models have that intensity growing over time. Most of the computer models have it moving into the Bahamas by the weekend, and that's where the National Hurricane Center has it moving into, as it continues to be a tropical storm moving over not favorable water, but once it gets north of the Dominican Republic, it will form into a Category 1 storm, so says the National Hurricane Center, and that's by the weekend, Saturday morning. It doesn't get too strong, unlike Danny, who ballooned into a Category 3 storm very quickly. Erika not forecast to do the same thing. This looks like it might be an issue for the east coast of the U.S., east coast of Florida, maybe the Carolinas. It does not look like an issue that will affect the Gulf Coast states, but of course, if anything changes, we'll let you know. More details on what you can expect here in central Alabama, very fall-like forecast for us. More details on that coming up with Chief Meteorologist Mark Prater on WIAT 42 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock tonight. We'll see you then.